Hi everyone, my name is Vaishnavi Tiwari and today we are going to explore the three readings of the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. So first let's know what is actually Citizenship Amendment Bill. The Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 was passed by the Parliament of India on 11 December 2019. It amended the Citizenship Act 1955 by providing a path to Indian citizenship for illegal migrants of Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi and Christian minorities who had fled persecution from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan before December 2014. Muslims from those countries were not given such eligibility. The act was the first time religion had been overtly used as a criterion for citizenship under Indian law. There was also much opposition for this bill, as you can see in the picture. Now let's talk about the long title of this bill. Citation is Act number 47 of 2019, enacted by Lok Sabha, passed 10th December 2019, enacted by Rajya Sabha, passed 11 December 2019, assented to 12th December 2019, signed 12th December 2019, signed by Ram Nath Kovind, President of India. Effective 10th January. Now let's study the legislative history of this bill. Bill introduced was Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. Bill citation was Bill number 370 of 2019. Bill published on 9th December 2019, 6 months ago, introduced by Amit Shah, Minister of Home Affairs. First reading 9th December, second reading 10th December and third reading 11th December. Now let's talk about the three readings of the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. As we all know, in the first reading, the minister or the member in charge of the bill introduces the bill stating its features. If the bill is an important one, the minister may make a brief speech. The Indian government, while proposing citizen amendment, said that its bill aims to grant quicker access to citizenship to those who have fled religious persecution in neighboring countries and have taken refuge in India. This citizenship bill was introduced in Lok Sabha on 19 July 2016 as the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. It was introduced by Amit Shah, Minister of Home Affairs. In the second reading, the bill is considered by the House very carefully. This stage is further divided into sub-stages. In the first sub-stage, the bill may be straight away taken into consideration or referred to a standing committee. Most of the bills are referred to any of the standing committees. Then the committee examines the bill clause by clause and submits its report. After that, the House takes up a thorough consideration of the bill. Finally, when all the clauses have been put to vote and disposed of, the second reading of the bill is over. The Citizenship Bill was tabled in Lok Sabha to a Joint Parliamentary Committee (JPC) on August 12, 2016. The committee submitted its report on 7 January 2019, and the following day, January 8, the bill was passed in Lok Sabha. In the third reading, there is a debate which is of restricted nature, which is confined to arguments either in support or rejection of the bill. In the third reading of Citizenship Bill, Congress MP Shashi Tharoor has given a notice in the Lok Sabha to oppose the bill on the grounds that it violates the fundamental right to equality. There were many debates held before the passing of Citizenship Bill. After the bill is passed in one house, it is sent to the other house where the same procedure is adopted. If the bill is passed by the second house, it is presented to the president for his or approval. Thank you.